Let's start. Today we will see how to find our NR-4 candle in the TradingView Pine script. NR stands for narrow range. So what we do is, we try to find a candle that is the smaller than last three candles, and also this candle should be an inside candle. Such a candle is called a narrow range 4 candle, that is NR-4 candle. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name NR-4 bar. First, we find a candle range by subtracting the candle's low from the candle's high. Then we find out if the candle is an inside candle or not. Here we check if the high of the current candle is lower than its previous candle, and if the low of the current candle is higher than its previous candle or not. Then, we find out if the current candle is smaller than its previous 3 candles or not. Then we combine both these conditions and find out if the current candle is an NR-4 candle or not. If the current candle is an NR-4 candle and is bullish, then we show a green-colored label on it. If the current candle is an NR-4 candle and is bearish, then we show a red-colored label on it. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, our indicator has now marked various NR-4 candles. These are the bullish NR-4 candles. As you can see, these candles are smaller than their previous 3 candles, and also, these candles are inside candles. Similarly, here we get the bearish NR-4 candles. So that's it. That's how you can find our NR-4 candles in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.